Present tense of be. Questions.
How to make a question.
Replace the subject and am, is, or are. I am becomes am I? You are becomes are you? She is becomes is she?
I am.
Am I?
You are.
Are you? He is. Is he?
Am I?
Am I late?
Are you? Are you hungry? Is he?
Is he our new boss?
Is she?
Is she your sister?
Is it?
Is it your car?
Are we? Are we on the right train? Are you?
Are you tired?
Are they?
Are they your children? Some more practice. Listen to the examples. Peter is tired. Is Peter tired? Why is Peter tired? Is Peter tired?
Yes, he is.
Why is Peter tired?
Because he works a lot.
This is Ars Voxis Language Studio, helping you speak with clarity and confidence.